and what collective nouns you think that you have. Supposing somebody gave you fruits. Varnika, have you joined?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So fruits, this is very common. Fruits. Ritu ji, aap ho yahan pe? She has not joined maybe. Okay. Like you have fruits. Fruits ban gaya kya? Common noun है not?
Fruit, yes, common
Fruits.
noun. Fruit.
इसको अगर मैं बोलूं कि बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स को मैं इकट्ठा करके मैं कहीं रखने वाली हूँ तो एक साथ में मैं क्या कहूंगी ऐसे? बास्केट ऑफ फ्रूट्स. बास्केट ऑफ फ्रूट्स यू कैन राइट ऑल्सो. सो बास्केट. तो जैसे कि इफ यू टॉक ना कि ओ दिस इज दिस फ्रूट दैट फ्रूट ऐसे नहीं बोल के यू कैन से ओ आई हैव ब्रॉट अ बास्केट ऑफ फ्रूट्स फॉर यू. Supposing you want to give somebody something, isn't it? So when you want to give somebody, then you say basket of fruits. अब फिर clothes के बारे में हमने कहा कि a pile of clothes. Now clothes, have you? Yes, Varnika, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
The pile of clothes. अभी फ्रूट्स के बारे में बोले बास्केट ऑफ फ्रूट्स. अभी एक बताओ तो राइस नहीं है, राइस जो खाते हो तुम लोग आप. राइस को अगर मैं कलेक्टिव नाउन से क्या टर्म दूं मैं? राइस. A bowl of rice. मतलब एक बाउल में this is collective and bowl of rice मतलब I am getting all the rice in there. Okay, cards. अभी देखो, अभी राजुल बोलो अगर cards is also common noun. In cards, if I say you have to place the collective noun, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? कार्ड. बहुत सारे कार्ड है. आप बहुत सारे कार्ड है तो किस में रहता है कार्ड? सब किस में रहता है? एक साथ में जब रखते हो तो क्या कहते हो उसको?
एक साथ तो
पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स. अब पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स कहते हो कि नहीं? पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स.
पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स.
यस
मैम. पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स.
Pack of cards. Okay, now you talk whatever you want to talk about this collective noun. If giving examples, जैसे कि pack of cards, then you have in top pair of shoes. You went to a friend and you gave a bouquet of flowers. Okay, तो कुछ sentences बनाओ, कोशिश करो. Now you all speak. चलो. Varnika, you say 2-3 sentences. He will also say 2-3 sentences.
Yeah, ma'am. About what?
About just now I told like collective nouns. Anything now you all talk because I have been talking and talking since then. So like bouquet of flowers, I told stack of books, pile of books, all nouns I want to clear and clarify that so that you also have understood and you also speak up. So जैसे कि you are sitting here, so you go to a friend and you say I have bought a bouquet of flowers. To make sentences with that. चलो sentence making करो.
Ma'am, we can say like pride of lions, colony of ants.
Yes. No, I am telling जो हमने बात की है उसके make sentences करो. This is good for you. You are ultimately entering into English class. See, I am telling you, supposing I went to means whatever party and I gave a bouquet of flowers. And I gave a bouquet of flowers to the. Okay, let's say. जैसे कि come let's play. I have a pack of cards. Means मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप कहाँ use कर a pack of cards. I am giving you some of the words and like pack of cards. Then Rajul के लिए pair of shoes. Then फिर आप दोनों के लिए a bowl of rice. basket
ma'am,
of fruits.
I wore a new pair of brown shoes today.
Very
Then
good.
I ate a bowl of dal and rice.
Yes, good.
Then my friend gave me a bouquet of flowers for my birthday.
Yes. Very good.
Then I gave my friends a basket of fruits for her.
Yes.
For her.
For her,
For my-
मतलब she was feeling hungry. हाँ. तो समझ में आया राजुल what she's अभी राजुल आप भी दो एक कोशिश करो.
Yes, ma'am, I understand. Yes, same. Yes, basket of fruits and dal and rice. Yes.
See, अभी देखो, now when you are conversing, then you are using the words. Then you,
Yeah.
why I am giving you the concept of grammar, then only you are knowing that हाँ इसके लिए ये है, so we will have to say like this.
Yes.
Then only you are knowing. Are you getting my
Yes.
point? Then
Yes,
only
ma'am.
you are knowing कि हाँ pair of shoes कहते हैं कि give me one shoe, ऐसे बोल give me another shoe. No, give me a pair of shoes and a pair of scissors. Scissors मतलब कैची को क्या कहते हैं? Pair of scissors. Oh, the books में जैसे books, stack of books and pile of books. Varnika will say, oh my God, my room is full of piles and piles of books. I want to clean them. Okay. तो आप जब के बहुत सारे किताबें हैं आपके साथ में सामने, तो आप कैसे करोगे? Okay. So more you just both of you tell. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
And more you say. Some more you say. Try. Bowl of rice you said. Then what were the things that I had given you earlier?
Ma'am,
Team
bowl
of
of rice, pair of shoes, pair of scissors.
अच्छा now boys, like you can use the players के बारे में बोलो. Players अगर बहुत सारे हैं तो क्या कहते हैं?
Team.
राजुल. हाँ राजुल, you try to make one sentence with that. Players, team and all.
Team of players. Yes, ma'am. Army. Crowd.
Army.
Yes.
What? Army you're saying?
Army के group.
और आर्मी का ग्रुप. रेजिमेंट बोलते हैं. रेजिमेंट ऑफ सोल्जर्स.
Yes.
I saw in a parade. No, now you will done. You have the lots of words. You will make sentence. Then only. फिर अच्छा एक बात बोलो. ये this is very common. You can know. Varnika also. Dacoits मतलब डाकू जो है ना. थीव्स, डेकॉइट्स, उसको क्या कहते हैं बोलो? इसको एक साथ में जब रहते हैं इसको क्या कहते हैं?
उसको तो रबर ही बोलते हैं ना.
नहीं, डेकॉइट्स मतलब क्या? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट थीव्स एंड डेकॉइट्स.
यस मैम, मैं एक कंजक्शन है, मुझे पता नहीं था क्या बोलते हैं.
गैंग, GANG, गैंग ऑफ डेकॉइट्स, गैंग ऑफ थीव्स. कि नहीं? गैंग. वो कौन सा गैंग में है? वो कौन सा गैंग में? गैंग मतलब वो
गैंग, ये इंग्लिश वर्ड गैंग कहाँ, ये गैंग का आया.
गैंग में मैं लिख के देती हूँ.
मैम स्पेलिंग टोल्ड. G. I can't show. Okay. G.
GANG.
GANG, gang. Okay. This gang यानी ग्रुप
मतलब गैंग ऑफ हम हमेशा यूज करते हैं इन द लैंग्वेज. गैंग ऑफ थीव्स. अभी देखो, अभी दिस लेस टाइम तो यू आर लर्निंग एंड इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग. तो प्लीज मेक सम सेंटेंसेस. राजुल आप बोलो कुछ. गैंग ऑफ थीव्स से बनाओ.
Gang of thieves. Yes, gang of friends.
Gang of thieves से आप बनाओ. You make one sentence.
Gang. thief तो मैम चोर आता है ना. Gang यानी
हाँ. चोर चोर.
yes और चोरी करना. Okay.
अब हिंदी में सोचो कि आज कल रात को एक चोरों का गैंग आया था आपके कॉलोनी में, बस.
Yes.
हाँ.
Yesterday
तो चोर
night
जो है ना अकेला
gang
गैंग
of
आता है,
thieves.
सुनो, अगर अकेला आता है तो one thief had come, and if he's
Come.
bringing more people with him, a gang of thieves, a gang of thieves, a gang of dacoits. Varnika, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Gang of
So
thieves.
हाँ, तो आप ही बना दो एक गैंग ऑफ थीव्स से. राजुल, जैसे कि उसके कॉलोनी में वो सामने, it should not happen like thieves came. So how you will make the sentences?
Ma'am, there were gang of thieves in front of the colony.
हाँ. Oh, हाँ. Okay. And Rajul, another you try to make.
Yes, yesterday night
हाँ.
gang of thieves my shop.
Bah. In a shop, बापरे, and they looted me.
Looted me. Okay. And
लूट कर दिया आपको. A gang of ships came, thieves came and they looted you.
okay.
अच्छा.
Yes.
अगर बुक्स के बारे में if you want to make sentence की a pile of books, क्या बोलोगे?
File of book. My room file of
क्या?
मेरा रूम में my room file of books.
Pile of books. I have
I
a
have
pile. I have lots of our books, or there is a pile of books in near my bed which I need to clean. जो हम क्लीन करना चाहेंगे. ओके.
okay. Okay, ma'am. I will try.
बोलो फिर
Yes,
से.
ma'am. Yes.
हाँ.
I have a file of books.
Books
My near books. My near
near my bed.
bed. Near my bed. Okay. And
So
you
so
give
you
one, two,
understood.
three example. Yes, ma'am. I understand, but I don't talk. Yes, sentence.
No,
My
you
very
have understood, and you are
understand, but
using also. You are,
using yes.
हाँ, you are, आप use भी कर रहे हो खुद भी. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
अभी
Yes.
for Varnika, like students.
Yes.
Students का क्या होगा? Class of students.
Class.
So you make one sentence. Make one sentence for that.
But
Okay, so the teacher came into the no. The what can I say about class of students? The teacher was teaching the class of
class.
class of students. What can be? The English teacher entered this class.
That is class. ना class of students मतलब एक ही students नहीं, बहुत सारे students where you are having together, you say a class of students. That I
Okay.
was told to teach in a class of students, supposing the subject English. मतलब बहुत सारे बच्चों को मैंने कहा था कि उसको जाके मैं पढ़ाऊं। तो कौन से क्लास? इट इज नॉट क्लास 5, क्लास 6, क्लास 7। अंडरस्टूड? अ ग्रुप ऑफ
Okay.
स्टूडेंट्स, अ
Group
ग्रुप ऑफ
of
स्टूडेंट्स कि मुझे कहा गया था कि अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, ये लगे, हाँ, अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स वेयर आई विल हैव टू टीच, लाइक अभी अभी जो राजुल है ना, अभी क्रिकेट मैच देखने गया, तो वो
yes,
बैठा है यहाँ पे, तो सब प्लेयर्स लोग जा रहे हैं,
yes.
so all the players are going, so what will you say to your friend? सपोज टू योर फ्रेंड आप बोल रहे हो, हाँ देखो देखो सब जा रहा है, क्या क्या बोलोगे?
Yeah, you see team of group going play.
Yes, very good. Oh, see the just see the team of players are coming to the field.
Coming to the fields. Coming the play field. Okay. See team of players coming, uh, going to the field.
Sorry, going to the field. अभी देखो,
Going to the
going to
field.
the, coming to the field मतलब coming, तो they are coming, returning back means they are going
Yes,
to play.
yes,
Okay, yes.
yes.
Very good. You have also tried the gang of this thing thieves came to a pair of shoes. I asked the customer, क्या बोलोगे? Pair of shoes से last बनाओ. The class will get over now. Just Rajul, you make one sentence, and Varnika also, if you want, like rice से बना के जाओ, and वो जूते से बना के जाओ, shoes से.
Okay,
Rajul
ma'am.
shoes से बना
Yes,
के जाओ.
ma'am. Ma'am, this okay. You send यानी मुझे प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए आप व्हाट्सएप में कुछ मुझे यानी दे सकते हो, तो मैं बाद में रूम में जो जाके थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करूँगा, तो सीख
अच्छा.
कर
So
जैसे
actually,
ऐसे
हाँ. Okay, then you have to give the your number also.
0508724. Okay, ma'am, I give zero
क्या?
505
हाँ
050 again 0
हाँ
872 4341.
okay. So like here WhatsApp, तो like here we are not operating. So I will ask sir, and Monday I will come you and I will give you some things to write here only. So Varnika,
Okay, ma'am.
so Rajul, have a very nice
Ma'am, you this
weekend.
number Saudi code number 966.
That only, it will not come maybe in my mobile. That's why. If you are in India, then to no problem. So I don't know the system. Anyways, we will make it. I will see that आपको मिल जाए सब कुछ. Okay. तो
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
you will have a very nice weekend, both of you.
मैम
Varnika.
यस मैम आई कंटिन्यू आई जॉइंट यानी आई विल ट्राई यानी मैं कोशिश करूंगा एंड देन आई जो छुट्टी मिलेगा आई थिंक यस मैं सोचूंगा इंडिया जाके फेस टू फेस ऑफलाइन यानी मेरा घर का नजदीक या कोई भी ऐसा कोर्स यानी मैं 21 महीना पूरा कोशिश करूंगा टाइम दूंगा सीखने के लिए Yes, ma'am. ऐसा मैं कुछ कोशिश करूंगा आई मुझे ये सीखना है बस the Saudi
Very
में
good.
very important my work because job is very important. And then yes, between I will try English learner. Yes, okay. You also you help me. You I will.
Yes, yes, surely,
Yes,
surely. I will help you. Okay, Rajul and Varnika, thank you so much. Again, we will meet Monday. Say all of you, we will meet Monday.
We'll meet Monday,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Barnika and ma'am. I will.
Okay.
क्या करना है? I will see again Monday.
We will
Thank
see
you so
again
much,
and meet
everyone.
you. Bye
Okay,
bye.
Thank
I will. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
you.